Magic Sing ET25KN actually works. So, he's showing you like how we putting them in. So, and always make sure you got always make sure the song chip is it's pointing up because it shows on here. So you have to point it up. So now we just put the other two chips. They got 6. Okay. So you just put it in like that. Just try to aim for the this one. So now we just get these in here. So now they're right there. So now I have this whole setup of the karaoke. So let me just get that there. Wait, let me just untangle the wire. Untangle that, untangle. Oh, these wires always get tangled. Let me just plug the connectors for both of the karaoke machines to these, but I have to plug these in separately since it doesn't fit in the converter. So drop the screen here. So now, wait, I do need this on though. Just lower it down. Just turn it off here. Sure. Sorry, this might not ask to be something. So now they're all plugged in. Moving that. So yeah, just drop my TV. Just get the stand for a sec. So I get this stand right here. Sorry. Okay, so there you go. So let me just go home. Press home. I had the karaoke on my TV already, so all I have to do is go to karaoke. It's not on. If it's not on like your screen, like when you press home, go to source. And it'll show us like HDMI 1 or 2. I put it as karaoke, so press on that. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not gonna sing. So now we just get the camera to focus on this. So now, oh dang it, never mind. I just turn it on. Thanks. See? So now it's on. Sorry about that. My throat's very dry, so. Okay. Yeah, I'm just testing it out. The karaoke, the one of the karaoke machines I'm using actually has better sound quality. So yeah, this is the Magic Sing I'm using. Dang it, it's on lock. There you go. So this is the Magic Sing. I'm trying to make the camera focus, but it won't focus. Now you just press 1 here. So let's see. This is a number from one of the song chips. See, 5, 3, 7. So yeah, might be wondering it's from this song chip, the Tagalog 3. And let me try out a song from Tagalog 6 to 824. So 2824. See? It's the same song. It's on the Magic Sing, but I'm put in the song chip, so that's why. So yeah. There's some duplicates here because of the song chip, so it's like out of the blue. They're the same song. It's because of the song chip, so, and that is error code. That was error code 4298. It's error code. That's from the Tagalog 110, which is this one here, this one. So 4261. So that's from one of the song chips, which is Tagalog 110. So yeah, they pretty much work. That's built in. So this is the built-in song of Maging Sino Ka Man. So yeah. And it's the built-in song of Ipapatawad Mo. It's 3591. And this is the one from Tagalog 3. It's 420. So yeah, it's the same one. Yeah, same thing. Check this out. Same thing. Yeah, so yeah, they're basically the same thing. And see, there's 4 duplicates. There's some of them are different also. So yeah. So yeah, there's like some copies here. Let me just go down. Yeah, you see this one and this one and this one and this one. They're from this song chip, Tagalog 3. So there are duplicates. So yeah. So I don't have one of the song chips for look at the boat. Just look at it. It's glowing. Keeps on glowing. Oop. So yeah, pretty much have the same song. It's just they're different numbers because of the song chips. So 420 is that, while 3591 is the same song. They're just different numbers. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Oh, and yeah, these are the settings. Bye, guys.